I bought the cheapest 4.2 V8 I could find on Facebook Marketplace. So there it is. We bought the cheapest Volkswagen Touareg that we could find on Facebook Marketplace. It was the cheapest one we could find on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Copart and Gumtree. So it's the 4.2 V8, not the 2.5 or the 3 litre, it's the 4.2 V8. It doesn't have a rear locking diff, but it does have the central locking diff. And it does not too bad off-road. We've already had it out once. So the plan is we're going to do a few more bits to it and we'll get it out for a bit more. Fault wise, it does have a shit ton of faults. It has cam position sensor fault, which is probably the most critical one to fix. After that, it has central locking faults. It has diff faults where it doesn't want to engage, or sometimes it does and then doesn't want to disengage. It has air suspension faults where it doesn't want to go up, other times it doesn't want to go down, other times it just lowers on the front end but doesn't on the back. So there's certainly a few faults we have to fix. The rear driver side brake light is cracked. The passenger side mirror indicator is cracked, so we've got new ones on the way for that. The mirror toggle switch is broke, so again got a new one on the way for that. I've already cheated, so you guys are playing catch up. We've fitted new off-road tyres to it. They're not the biggest. It was they're about an inch bigger than what was on there previously, so we've went with 265 60 18s. The plan is to eventually go up to 35-inch tyres, but obviously we need lift kits and we're probably going to need upper control arms for that. So if you know anybody, recommend them. Modification wise, we will be putting bumpers and sliders on it, and the only modification as such other than tyres we've done is our friends over at DNA4 before hooked us up with iDrive EVC X, so we can make the accelerator either sharper or we can make it more economical. Very handy in the tricky sections. If you don't want to give it all the power, you can obviously adjust the throttle controller and make it so that it takes it a bit longer for it to spool up. It's absolutely brilliant off-road. All you hear is the rumble everywhere. It's brilliant. So anyway, this is just a quick update to let you know what we've got and what we plan on doing with it. If you've got any suggestions or even any suggestions for parts or anything like that, comment below. We'll catch up with you next time. Hopefully have an update in the next week or two where you'll see some of the off-road clips and some of the wee bits we've tinkered about with. Right, we'll catch up with you later. See you later.